Hi, in this video we will create a reusable shift workflow. We will open the workflow you created to add two float numbers together and expose its input and output parameters. Let's open the Add Floats workflow you created in our previous video. Ensure that the value plugs of both float 1 and 2 are set to 0. Create a node of type input. This time we will create plugs without using the mouse right-click option. Instead, we will drag and drop with the left mouse button the input value plug from float 1 onto the input 1 node. In the UI, name the plug value 1 and set the direction to through. This creates the plug and automatically connects the two plugs together. Repeat the process with float 2 and call the plug value 2. Now create an output node. Drag and drop with your left mouse button the output value plug from the Python script node onto the output 1 node. Name the plug result and set the direction to through. Now you can set the values for your workflow directly from the input 1 node. On the input 1 node, set value 1 to 1.3 and value 2 to 4.2. Execute the workflow. The result plug on the output 1 node should now have a value of 5.5. Set the value plugs of input 1 back to 0. Now, save your workflow as Add Floats Work. See you in the next video. For more shift training material and other videos, check our YouTube channel, like, and subscribe.